One thing we know in leadership is that it's not about you anyway. Players make a choice whether or not they listen to you, whether they follow you. I had a seat around the high performance table, but at the same time, I needed to find a way for people to open their minds and break down some of the fixed mindsets. When you're exposing people to something and they're locked in a mindset, you have to be very, very careful about that. Sometimes your impatience to win is the reason you lose. If I'd gone too fast, too quickly, then you'd lose people. I was particularly mindful of the leaders. When the leader improves, everyone gets better. And just because you're a leader doesn't mean you'll improve. Just because you work in a high-performing team doesn't mean you'll improve. We need specific and targeted and deliberate activity where people bring real intent to grow. Mindset is a skill set. You can learn to manage your emotions. And I learned that your skill sets don't work if your mindset's wrong. Once we could attach examples to people about skills they were trying to execute and what was the reason that they weren't being able to execute it, and that it was linked to mindset, then all of a sudden we had that internal shift that I talked about.